Alright, quick video here. This is both 2-1 and 2-2 on linear functions. We'll begin with a definition. The point-slope equation for a line is f of x equals mx plus b, where m, which is the slope, is f of x2 minus f of x1 over x2 minus x1. And that's just equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is stuff from algebra 1. F of x2 is just y2. F of x1 is just y1. That is, we could have said y equals f of x equals mx plus b. You could read this as y equals mx plus b if you wanted to. And b is just your y-intercept. So let's do a real quick example. Let's find the equation of the line through the points 4, 2, and negative 3, 1. So first, we're going to need to find the slope. So we're going to find the slope. So we're going to say that the slope is just, it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And remember, we can come in here and label everything if we want to. This we'll call x1 and y1. This we'll call x2 and y2. And let's just plug everything in real quick. So this looks like this. So this is, on top we have y2 minus y1, that is your rise. So we have 1 minus 2. So it's going to be 1. Let's do 1 minus 2 on the top. And then on the bottom it's negative 3 minus 4, x2 minus x1. So it's negative 3 minus 4. And that's just all equal to, well, 1 minus 2 on the top is negative 1. Negative 3 minus 4 more is negative 7. So this whole thing is negative divided by negative is just positive 1/7. So your slope is 1/7. So we can come down here and we can say, well, we know that the equation is going to look like y equals, or f of x equals, and we prefer f of x in math analysis, equals mx plus b. So it's going to be something times x plus whatever your b is. Well, we found what m was. M is 1/7. So let's plug that in. Okay, and now we're going to need to figure out what b is. We don't know what b is yet, so let's just write down b again. We don't know what b is. So what we need is we need an x and an f of x in order to solve this. And remember, y is f of x. So pick one of these 2 points. It doesn't matter which one. That'll be your x and y. Plug it in and we'll solve for b. So let's just arbitrarily choose this first one. Let's choose this first one and we'll do it in a nice yellow here. Let's just choose this point. It's arbitrary. We could have chosen the other one. I'm choosing this one because there's no negatives. y1 is your f of x. It's the whole thing. y1 is your y, is your f of x. It's all the same thing. So y1 is 2. So I'm just going to plug in 2 here. I'm going to say 2, in this case, equals 1/7 times, and then the x that goes with that is 4, okay, plus your specific b. And so we just fill in the b here. And all you have to do now is just solve this for b. So you're going to get that 2 equals, this is just 4/7 plus b, which means, therefore, that we can just subtract 4/7 from each side. We know that 2 is 14/7. 14/7. I just doubled, this is 7/7 twice, minus 4/7 equals b, which gives us that our b must equal 14 minus 4 is 10. So this is 10/7, which gives us our final answer, which I will put all the way over here. Our final answer is just y equals, or f of x equals, it's the same thing, f of x equals m, which we found to be 1/7, x plus the specific b that we found, 10/7. This is the hardest possible problem that I could give you on this, and that's all of it. So thanks for watching.